Have you ever felt like a fraud in your own life? Like you're not good enough or don't belong? You're not alone. Millions of people experience imposter syndrome at some point in their lives. Imposter syndrome is a feeling of inadequacy and self-doubt that can hold us back from reaching our full potential. But the good news is, it can be overcome. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 practical tips and tricks for conquering imposter syndrome, so that you can take control of your life and achieve your goals. Number 1, recognize and acknowledge the problem. The first step in overcoming imposter syndrome is recognizing that you have it and acknowledging that it's a real problem. Number 2, understand that imposter syndrome is common. You're not alone in feeling this way. Many successful and accomplished people experience imposter syndrome. Number 3, challenge negative thoughts. When you find yourself thinking negative thoughts, challenge them. Ask yourself, is this thought based on fact or fiction? Number 4, speak up and reach out. Don't suffer in silence. Share your feelings with someone you trust and seek support from friends, family, or a therapist. Before we go on, make sure to click that like and subscribe button for more similar content. Number 5, practice self-care. Taking care of yourself physically and mentally will help to reduce stress and anxiety. Number 6, embrace your imperfections. Remember that no one is perfect, and that's okay. Embrace your imperfections and learn from your mistakes. Number 7, focus on your accomplishments. Keep a record of your accomplishments, no matter how small, and remind yourself of them when you're feeling down. Remember, imposter syndrome is a common problem, but it doesn't have to control your life. With the right tools and mindset, you can overcome it and achieve your goals. Keep these tips in mind and take the first step towards conquering self-doubt. Let us know in the comments below how you are dealing with imposter syndrome and what has it cost you up until now. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content that will help you transform your daily life. Thanks for watching.